Hey, y'all, welcome back. Got a small, quick update video for y'all. The Gambler 180 race, hosted by Go Power Sports at their ranch, is right around the corner. So, I'm just going to give y'all a quick update. We will be there again. Hopefully, y'all can make it out. And I'll leave y'all a link in the description of times, dates, all that. Or you can go on the Go Power Sports website. You can pre-register, and it'll give you a list, times, dates, juniors class. But I'm going to spin y'all around. We got the old Texas bike that Brandon and I've been bashing this thing for a good while. So it needs a fine going over. We made the two test weekends at Go Power Sports. If y'all didn't make it out there for testing deal, it was a great time. But anyway, so we've been bashing on it, checking everything out. We upgraded some stuff, and that's why it's extremely filthy. We then tore this front, blow the shocks out of this thing. Like I said, we've been bashing this thing for good number of years. And so we're going to go over everything. I normally rip the bike all apart, check over every nut, bolt, bearing, and all that good stuff, just to make sure everything is ready to go for race day and we don't have any issues. So I got all the bugs worked out of the bike. But Go Power Sports fixed me up with some cool stuff. We're definitely going to upgrade. These are way more cushier grips. Y'all see me put these on almost all the mini bikes that we build here in the shop, like the vintage stuff. These things are extremely comfortable. The ones you got on the bike look cool, but they're not as comfortable as the Biltwell grips. And if you wanted to get foot peg grips to match your throttle grips, they have those as well. Extra air filter. You don't want to lose your air filter out there halfway middle of the track and dirt and dash your engine and destroy it. So it's always good to keep you an extra air filter on hand. I do like putting a sock over the top of these, the Go Power Sports sock, just for added protection. You can oil these, wash these. Real nice filter. Good thing to keep you one on hand. We are going to be putting a brand new DID, the 420 chain. Real good stuff. Never had a problem out of this. So the one that's on the bike now, since it's already the right length and all that, what I'll do is I'll pull that one off, inspect that one, get it all lubed up, cleaned up. I'll keep that as a backup. That way it's already cut to the length. And we're going to go ahead and put a brand new chain on it. I have a valve cover that's I've taken on and off several times to run valves after I did some motor adjustments. So we're going to put a new valve cover on it, make sure that leak is fixed. The fuel lines that been on the bike, they've been on there for golly, years and years. So cheap insurance, they sell this in 5 foot, 10 foot, different colors. I like the red, looks kind of cool, kind of goes with the theme. So another cheap insurance thing, I'm going to go ahead and replace all the lines on the bike and make sure it's all ready to go. Not going to do a long video of tearing it apart, but just things that you might need for the race day if you're going to make the 180. Extra chain, air filter. If you got a bike like this MB200 where you can put your tool bag on the back, keep your extra chain and whatever wrenches you might need to put your chain on. That's a handy thing to have. Spark plug, small stuff like that. But now's the time to go over your bike and see what your bike might need before the race gets here. So just think those things over. Like I said, the GPS 180 is right around the corner. You go on their website, all that stuff is on there, times, dates, the events. You want to come out, participate, get on a mini bike, have some good old fun. You can just register and all that good stuff online. Saves you a lot of time than registering when you get there. That way, you can just go up, say, hey, I'm already pre-registered. They'll pull your name up, check it off, get your armband, sign the waiver, all that good stuff. But now's your time to go place your order with Go Power Sports and get your bike looked over and get those extra parts that you might need just to get you through the race. So that's the game plan that I got to do. So I got a bike to tear apart, and I got to do around, find some more front forks for this bike because those are pretty shot. But we're going to tear the bike all apart, go over every nut and bolt, and get it ready. So, like I said, give Go Power Sports a shout. Get all your parts you might need, which hopefully I think I got everything. Get those bikes ready for the 4th annual Go Power Sports 180. And when you make your order, if you scroll down to the very bottom, you can click on my link that lets them know that you watch this video, and I sent you their way. So, hope to see y'all fine folks out there. It's always a great time. Have the bonfire at night. And even if you don't want to race, you can come out, hang out. And there's people from all over the place. Super fantastic fun time, as always. So, y'all get those bikes ready, and we'll see y'all at the choke line. Y'all take care.